Welcome to nurtechsolution. Today I'm gonna show you how you can take a screenshot and edit your screenshot. Okay, so first of all I am going to show with my iPhone 7. So this is the right hand side. You can see there is the power button and here is the home button. You have to press both together. Okay, just once. When you press once both together, it will take a screenshot. So that's how you can take if it's less than 10 version. So that means it's 7, so you should do that. And you can see that's this is now it's like the 12 Pro. So that's right hand side. You can see here is the power button and here is the plus. So volume plus and minus, so you have to press with the plus and power button together. So that's how, because this one has no home button because of iPhone 12. So when you press it, have a look. Once it already take a photo, so it's photo inside of our photo gallery now. So when you see this photo, so suppose maybe it's your photo and you want to modify something or edit something, so how you can edit it? Okay, if you go in the corner, have a look in the right hand side corner, it said edit. Now you can edit it like whatever you want. You can see first one is here. If you press that on, you can see this one, you can make it a photo small, bigger, like whatever you need. Okay, then this one you can choose like whatever color you want. So this is the built-in, so you can do like whatever color you maybe like, you know, black and white or bit extra warm or something. This one is the customize. Okay, so you can customize your photo, like maybe you increase the bit brightness, you maybe do some more color or something, whatever you want. You have all the features in here. So when you're gonna see everything is perfect for you, then you can save it. Okay, and suppose you need to write down something on top of it, this photo. Okay, so then you need to go to right hand side corner, pencil button. Okay, just press that on. Now you can see some of the pencil pop up in here. So you can take the pencil from here to write down, or you can make some choose some color. Okay, you see the color, you can choose any color whatever you want. Okay, suppose I like this color. Okay, so this one, then I am going to here. You have more color here as well. You can see the black. So that's my I already took like the yellow. You have blue, you have eraser. If you want to erase something, maybe you did some mistakes, so you can erase that one as well. Okay, so that's how you can do that. So now I gonna write down, suppose I gonna highlight YT Studio. So YouTube Studio I gonna highlight, just make it round. Have a look, it's already give that marking. Okay, so and Y, but it's not looking perfect, so I'm gonna go to write it black. Okay, so YT. So I took the another pencil black on, and I think it's right. I'm gonna give the tick. So it said YT Studio. So suppose this photo I want to send someone, so now I have to do the done, and bottom I have to done as well. So that's how when I put the both done, so you can see this photo gallery, it has been changed to whatever I wanted. So I write down and everything, now it's like that. In case maybe you don't like it, maybe you need to change again to do something, maybe you did some mistakes, so you have to go to again to edit. Okay, then you have to go to revert. So if you go to edit and then revert, press that on and revert to original, or you can cancel it. So I'm going to revert to original. Okay, so you can see now it's revert to original. That means now your original photo is here. Now you can change again whatever you like. Okay, so this was my video for today. If you think this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Until that, stay safe. Bye bye.